Our machines run every day for 20 hours straight. I simply cannot afford for it to fail without my knowledge. But this actually happened to me. I'm Rujin, the Executive Director of FlexMech Engineering, and this is a family business started by my father back in 1983. We used to supply machine equipment only, but now we also provide Industry 4.0 solutions to make manufacturing processes smarter. Industry 4.0 is a concept of manufacturing using data from our own production facility. When we have consolidated data, we can make better informed decisions. It's as simple as that. 6 years ago, one of our key factory machines broke down. The faulty spare part alone was $26,000. I thought I could easily find a replacement, but the reality was that it took 2.5 months for the part to arrive. That easily set us back about 400 to 500 orders. It was very challenging. I needed to monitor my machines closer so this will never happen again. But that is easier said than done. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars of investment costs, complex gateway softwares, and sensors as big as a mini fridge. These machine monitoring systems are bulky, and it's complicated and time-consuming to learn. So this problem became my brief to the team at Innovation Factory at SIMTech.
When Rujin first approached us with his problem statement, we saw that a huge opportunity to create a working prototype to help our local SME to accelerate their transformation journey. FlexMech does 3D printing, and the 3D printing filaments are extremely sensitive to temperature and humidity. So that is what the sensor is focused on measuring. First, we ran technical trials to create a proof of concept prototype. Next, we set the design directions for the product starting from the inner placement to the outer enclosure. We could only design within the boundaries of a small square box, so we came up with a few layout arrangements to overcome the issues like ventilations and signal problems. So I also put myself in the manufacturer's shoes. If I were the one assembling it, what steps can I take to reduce the cost? When we had the real form factor in place, we went through further iterations to refine the performance stability. Now, we have the engineering prototype, and that is what Rujin is using in his factory. When the temperature or humidity in the 3D filament room exceeds a certain threshold, the sensor system will send the alert to the factory staff via telegram.
It's like a fire alarm system. You don't really have to care about it until something bad happens. And when it does, then you're really happy that it's there. The bigger goal is to make Industry 4.0 technology more accessible to SMEs. Imagine a solution so simple that there's no learning curve to the workers. It's so small that it can fit into any machine, and it is so affordable that it's no longer a daunting investment. But while we are experts at producing things, we don't know how to design, get certification, or stress test. Innovation Factory guides us on how to create an entirely new product that is wholly owned by FlexMech. So for me, that's a no-brainer.
As a unit of A-Star, SIMTech has the ability to tap on diverse pool of technology experts and researchers across various research institutes. Our mission in SIMTech is to help uplift local SMEs through core innovation and deep collaboration, and to work with local manufacturers to build smart and sustainable manufacturing in Singapore.
Our long-term goal is to be at the peak of the Industry 4.0 wave as an SME, to create things better, faster and cheaper.